So how does this work? It's really simple. All you do is log in. Once you log in, you can filter by keywords in a domain, like money. You can filter by country, like United States. You can even put in a registered state or a zip code. Pick a date range that you want to get leads from. You can select the TDL, whether you want .coms, .ios. You can register whether you want a cell phone or landline numbers that people have actually registered their domains with. You can actually filter by how many domains that lead actually owns. And you can actually filter by how many times other users have unlocked that domain and got their information. Once you do that, just hit submit. And you'll be presented with an entire list of leads, just like this. You're going to get their name, you're going to get their email, you're going to get their phone number. You'll know whether it's a landline or a mobile phone. You'll see the company that they registered with. You can see how many times they've been unlocked by other users, and you can also see how many total domains that lead owns. It's really that simple. All you do is log in, run your search. If you want to export your leads, just click the export button and all your leads will get exported. Just like that, to a CSV file that you can use to do anything that you want with. Again, it really is that simple. So all you have to do is click the button and sign up for a free account. You can get 50 free leads a day. If you'd like unlimited leads, it's just $97 a month. Super simple to use, verified leads. They've all opted in. They've all recently registered a domain. Couldn't get much simpler than this, guys. So you can see exactly how the platform works. Super easy to use the system, super easy to get leads.